So here's where we are with the 67 Camaro. We have got it on the rotisserie, we have got the complete interior taken out, and he started stripping the roof. So let me tell you what we have on order. We have quarter panels, doors, upper and lower cowl, firewall, fenders, fender aprons. The core support, believe it or not, is good, but going back with the original. Things are looking good. I just can't wait for some parts to start coming in so we can start tearing into it. While we're waiting for all the sheet metal parts to come in, he's working on the roof and the window channels. He's grinding them down, checking the sheet metal for imperfections. After getting the roof stripped down, there's only a few bad spots, believe it or not. He's got a couple little dings in the middle. He's got a little bit of rust right here, not much at all. Everything's looking pretty good. We have to work right here where the lead was, get that taken down, grind out, and get that fixed. So everything's looking pretty good. Then when the quarters get here, I'm not sure how they're coming, but we're probably gonna seam them in somewhere along here.
I think
that's what we're thinking right now, but I'm not sure how far they're gonna come up. If they come up further, we may go a little further. We'll decide that a little bit later on. But other than this few little bad spots, everything's looking pretty good. We've got the roof all finished up. He's got the front windshield window channel taken care of. We've got OSPO brushed in all the rusted areas. When that dries, we're gonna get a coat of DP on it. So we had some parts come in. We had a floorboard section, 2 rears and 2 fronts. We're gonna start in the rear because we have on the front half, we're taking out the whole cowl, dash and everything. We're getting a new dash because he's getting AC, factory AC, and it has vent holes, but this doesn't have vent. So for now, we're gonna start in the rear. Now someone had already patched this up and he just took it out, but this is what we're starting with. So putting in the floorboard, how are you going to tackle that? What are we going to do?
Well, I'm planning on coming up to this line here, like a ground down, come around about 2 inches up around here. The only thing I know to do is cut this right out of there and make a piece, an L bracket for it.
Okay.
Because this holds the seat.
So, okay, because that's rotted out.
It's rotted out. Yeah, it's.
All right. What about that brace?
What brace?
That one right there. You didn't cut that. Does it go on top of that?
This brace?
Yeah.
Yes. It sits right. That's just spot welded to it.
What about that on the back side? How's it go over there?
It's spot welded here. I'm gonna cut it down and slide it and then tack it.
Okay.
And right. Here, like I said,
so the only challenge of parts basically is going to be that front half right here.
Yes, and I can't. I'm not going to cut it away from the floor.
Right.
Where it's still good. I'm going to cut the bad out and make to it.
All right.
And that way it'll still be tattooed to the original seam.
All right. Sounds good. Sounds like a game plan.
All right.
He's just finished spraying some DP. That's a corrosion primer. It helps prevent rust. Another good thing about DP is if we find something we don't like in the body, it doesn't matter if it's now or 10 weeks from now, we can actually go back, rough up the surface a little bit and wipe right over top of the DP with body filler. We don't have to take it back down to bare metal. That is some great stuff. But the window channel is all finished up, came out really nice. Got some interior parts DP'd. That's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so in the next episode you can see where we're at with the 67 Camaro rebuild.